Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to find your Optimism address in Bybit. It's easy to get this done. Make sure you have an account on Bybit. If you do not have an account, by using our link in the description of the video, you can stand a chance to claim up to 5,030 USDT when you register and verify your account. So guys, you're on Bybit with a verified account. How can you get yourself your Optimism address? Head to the Assets menu of this centralized exchange that's at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, simply scroll till you find the deposit icon. So click on deposit, select the deposit crypto option. Once you select the deposit crypto option, simply search for your preferred pair. But what we're going to be searching for is just the Optimism token. So simply click on OP. And once you've selected Optimism, select the chain. And the chain we're going to be working on, or the network, is the Optimism network itself. And now all you need to do is simply copy your wallet address. Your wallet address is going to be shown, as well as the QR code, which is scannable. So once you've copied any of those, you can easily deposit crypto here. You could easily share your wallet address. Do comment down below if you have a question, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.